Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some of the most unique and trendy backyard decor inspirations that will completely transform your outdoor space. Whether you have a balcony, patio, or garden, stick around to discover instant makeover ideas that can be customized to your style, all featuring the versatile Outdooresta Deck Tiles. In recent times, our homes have become our sanctuaries, and creating a welcoming outdoor oasis is more important than ever. Today, we're going to show you how you can upgrade your outdoor spaces into a stylish and functional area that reflects your personal taste and enhances your quality of life. Let's talk about a game-changing product, the Outdooresta All-Weather Interlocking Acacia Wood Deck Tiles. These tiles are not only weather-resistant, but also incredibly easy to install, transforming your balcony, patio, or garden in just minutes. With their natural acacia wood finish, they offer both beauty and durability, making them a perfect choice for any outdoor makeover. Imagine stepping out to a beautifully transformed balcony or a chic, inviting patio. With Outdooresta Deck Tiles, you can achieve this effortlessly. Combine these tiles with vibrant foliage, cozy seating arrangements, and tasteful outdoor decor to create your very own retreat. We'll explore several design ideas that include adding a bar, sunken areas, and even water features to elevate the aesthetic and functionality of your space. Transforming your outdoor space isn't just about aesthetics. It's also about smart solutions. Today, we'll share some top secrets in small landscape design, from creating privacy with strategic plant placement to incorporating fire features for evening warmth. These tips will help you make the most out of even the smallest spaces. Visit our website or contact us directly for more ideas and personalized advice on outdoor living designs. Let's transform your space together. And here's something for our pet owners. Did you know that the Outdooresta Deck Tiles are also pet-friendly? Yes, their texture provides excellent grip, making them safe for your furry friends to walk, play, or just chill out. Imagine your dogs and cats enjoying the fresh air and relaxing alongside you in your newly transformed outdoor sanctuary. It's a win-win for comfort and style, ensuring that every member of your family, including your pets, can enjoy your outdoor space to the fullest. Ready to upgrade your outdoor space with Outdooresta Deck Tiles? Check out the link in the description below to learn more about these transformative tiles and how you can easily customize your outdoor area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on creating your perfect outdoor sanctuary. Thanks for watching, and let's make your backyard the envy of the neighborhood.